What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How's the foodie fam out there doing tonight? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. Anyway, y'all,
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.
On that note, don't forget. Alright? So what's going on with everybody tonight?
It's time to mukbang.
Slash burping.
To another mukbang slash burping eating slash burping show.
Yeah, so Shoshana felt like she had to do the intro for me tonight. So that's what's going on over here tonight. Okay?
Cheerio.
So yeah, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. You know we're a character over here, okay? And you know she ain't never fall. She right there. That's Shoshana I'm talking about. So how is everybody's night?
It's decent though.
It is. Oh my gosh, y'all. I don't know what to do tonight. Tonight is one of them nights where I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So we just gonna burp. I have some leftover Canada Dry. And hell yeah, leftover, yeah, I said it. It's probably flatter than that thing, but no, I ain't talking about me now. It's probably flatter than that thing, but it's gonna work if I felt like doing this or just doing some daggone on command burping. Which one do you think? Y'all, I'm so in love with these nails. I'm not gonna let her change, you know, the nails this week. I'm keeping these on for 2 weeks. I love these. They're beautiful. So my kitchen sink broke tonight. Well, last night, really. It was a disaster. So I'm dealing with that. But let's do a little chugging. I'm really thirsty. Let's see what this is. I don't know, y'all. This, I drank this the other night and this diet ginger ale. This ain't it for me.
That's why I'll say I'm not even gonna try.
Girl, this ain't it
for me. The taste alone is disgusting to me. That's not my lifestyle.
I'm still not getting the burps that I want right now. Oh, those ain't so bad, but it could be better, don't you think so? Oh, and I'm gonna get the P.O. box soon. I keep saying that, but I forgot. At one point, honestly, I forgot all about the P.O. box. I just remembered about it. So I'm gonna get that soon. Yeah. Ooh. Y'all, it's down there. I can't wait for this. I can't wait for it to explode because it's gonna be a thing tonight. Oh, what some of y'all keep asking for, and you know the ones I'm talking to. You know. Stop playing with me. Oh, that do feels good. That feels so good. Shit. Ooh, yes, it's coming. It's brewing. The feeling you get when you, especially after you've eaten and you just need that to come up. Oh, ooh, that feeling be so good to release all that crap, that air, baby, all them gases. Okay. So yeah, I told you that the pipe was leaking, and the landlord came over, y'all. I told him about the pipe. This man, y'all, this man, knowing he can't fix shit, decides to go up under there and play Mr. Plumber, knowing that he don't know one shitting thing he doing, okay? So he gets up under there and said, child, he rotted out something. I'm like, okay, all right. He said it was backed up. I said, then if it wasn't backed up top, how is it backed up down there? Anyway, I'm like, well, whatever. The thing leaking. So, y'all, he took that sleeve off and he couldn't get it back on there right. Cara comes home from school. She washing the dishes. I hear, Mama! Child, all that water come. I looked up under there. It's a river. I'm like, this dumbass. You feel me? Caused me work. Hello. So he said the plumber will be here tomorrow to fix the daggone thing. Dumbass. Oh, man. Just, if you can't fix the thing, please call somebody who can. You feel me? Instead of giving people all this work and all this extra stuff. My Lord. But you know who was happy? Miss Cara. Ooh. That felt good. So that's my little dilemmas that I got going on, y'all. But alright, so that is it from us tonight. I will see y'all tomorrow. And y'all know it's Friday, so it's turn up time. So get ready, have whatever you gonna have to chug with me, because I want y'all to chug, because I want to hear those comments. Y'all, thank you all. Oh, big shout out to my girl, Happy Hunter. Sis, I love you. I appreciate you. You've been supporting this channel from Jump Street. And trust me, she be going in watching all the videos and commenting to make sure that I see. And sweetheart, I see you. I love you. And I appreciate every last one of my 1,200 and some odd people.